If you want to talk about side hustles and online business in English, today we're going to make it easy. People are doing small online work everywhere in 2026, and English helps you explain it clearly. We'll show you how real people talk about side income, online shops, content, and small business in daily conversation.
Right. You'll learn practical phrases like, I run a small online shop, I earn a bit extra online, and I'm trying to grow my business. Not textbook English, real English you can use when people ask, so what do you do? Or do you work online?
Hello, everyone. Welcome back. How are you today? I hope you're feeling good. And if not, it's okay. We're here to hang out and learn together. Nero, how are you today?
I'm doing all right. A bit tired because I was working on a small project last night. My side hustle. I almost said it wrong. But yeah, it's going well. How about you, Nina? Doing okay?
Yeah, I'm okay too. I made some coffee and I feel ready. And just to say, we teach real English here, mistakes and all. It's not a perfect class. It's normal to say something wrong, then fix it. That's how humans learn and talk.
Exactly. And hey, if you like this kind of practical English, maybe hit subscribe. No pressure, just if you find it useful. Okay, so Nina, how do people talk about side hustles these days?
Well, in 2026, a lot of people do something small online. Sometimes it's a hobby, sometimes it makes money. People often say things like, I have a small side hustle, or I work online in my free time. They don't always call it a business. Business sounds big. Side hustle sounds small and flexible.
Yeah, true. I noticed beginners often say, I do business online, but native speakers usually say it differently, like they say, I sell things online, or I do freelance work, or I make content. It sounds more natural.
Exactly, and people also explain the size. For example, it's small, or I'm just starting, or it's growing slowly. It helps the listener understand what you actually do.
By the way, what is a side hustle exactly? I mean, for people who don't know the idea. Let's keep it simple for beginners.
Sure. A side hustle is extra work you do outside your main job. It can be online, it can be creative, it can be weekend work. It usually makes extra income, but not always full-time. That's why people say, I do it on the side, meaning not my main job.
Right. I like that phrase, on the side. For example, I teach English on the side, or I design logos on the side. People in 2026 use that phrase a lot.
Let's teach the first useful phrase. I have a small side hustle. This is good when someone asks what you do.
Yeah, and beginners sometimes say, I have side business, which is not wrong, but a bit unnatural. Side hustle is much more modern in 2026.
Also, you can add details. For example, I have a small side hustle selling handmade candles.
Or, I have a small side hustle editing videos for people. That sounds very 2026.
Imagine someone asks, do you work full-time? You could answer, yes, and I have a side hustle on weekends.
Nice. Simple, clean, natural. Phrase 2. I earn extra income online. This is polite and useful. Beginners often say, I make extra money online, which is okay, but income sounds a bit more clear and mature.
Yeah, both are fine, but income shows it's part of your work life. For example, I earn extra income online doing small design jobs.
Did you know that in 2026, many young people say, I monetize my skills instead of I earn money? It sounds fancy, but it's common now.
True, and beginners shouldn't worry about using every modern word. Just understanding them is already useful. Phrase 3. I'm trying to grow my online business. This one is great because it shows progress. Not big, not small, just growing.
Beginners sometimes say, I am grow my business. I am growing my business. I was going to say it wrong. See, we all fix ourselves.
Exactly. This phrase is good for speaking with confidence. Okay, let's practice together. Repeat after us. I have a small side hustle.
I earn extra income online.
I'm trying to grow my online business.
More specific equals more natural.
In 2026, people also mention the platform they use. Like, I sell on a marketplace. I take freelance jobs on platforms. I make content on social platforms.
Beginners sometimes say platform names, but it's okay to keep it general when explaining to someone new. It keeps the English international and clear.
Okay, let's practice. Repeat after us. I'm still learning. I work on it in my free time. I'm growing it slowly. It's not full-time yet.
Now, imagine your side hustle exists, even if it doesn't. Say one sentence. It's not full-time yet. I'm still learning. Good. Nice rhythm, natural tone. So, Nena, how do people talk about making money without sounding rude or braggy?
Good point. We should teach that. In daily English, people avoid saying, I make a lot of money. It sounds too strong. People prefer softer phrases like phrase 5. It brings in a bit of income.
Or, it pays a little. That one sounds cute.
Another modern phrase in 2026 is, it helps cover some bills. It means you earn something, but not crazy amounts.
Did you know people rarely say, I'm rich or I make a lot? They use softer language to sound friendly. It's cultural, not grammar.
Exactly. Especially with side hustles, people don't want to sound like they're showing off. Let's say a friend asks, does your online shop make money? A natural answer, it brings in a bit of extra income, but I'm still growing it.
So clean, so normal.
Okay, viewers, your turn. Repeat after me. It brings in a bit of income.
Now try this one. It helps cover some bills.
And now combine both. It brings in a bit of income and helps cover some bills.
Good job. That sounds like real conversation now.
Nero, how do people talk about why they started a side hustle?
People usually give simple reasons, like, I wanted extra income. I wanted to learn a skill. I didn't want to depend on one job. I like doing creative work.
Beginners sometimes say, because of money, which sounds too direct. Better to say, I wanted extra income, or I needed a little flexibility.
Flexibility is a big word in 2026. People love flexibility.
My sister always says she wants a side hustle just for coffee money. She calls it her coffee income.
I like that. Small goals are fine. Everyone starts somewhere.
Next topic, talking about growth without sounding like a business book.
Yes, let's make it simple. In daily English, people say, I'm getting more clients. It's slowly improving. It's starting to pick up.
Starting to pick up means it's getting better little by little. Not fast, not crazy, just small progress.
Okay, repeat these with us. I'm getting more clients. It's slowly improving. It's starting to pick up.
Now, imagine someone asks about your online business. You answer, it's starting to pick up. Say it out loud. It feels natural.
Quick question to the comments. If you could start a side hustle, what would you choose? Type it below. We're curious.
Maybe teaching, maybe design, maybe selling products, maybe content. You decide. Okay, before we wrap up, let's finish with a tiny motivation piece. Side hustles and online business are not magic. They take time. But the language to talk about them is actually simple when you hear it in real conversations like this.
Yeah, and don't worry if you don't have one yet. Many people in 2026 just learn first and start later. Learning is also part of the journey. English helps you communicate with more people and find more opportunities.
Exactly. English is a key for global work. Not to sound like a teacher. Okay, maybe a little. But really, with simple phrases, you can explain your ideas, your skills, and your plans. Let's review just 3 phrases from today. Repeat after me. I'm working on a side project. It brings in a bit of income. It's slowly improving.
Good. Now, combine one of these with your own idea. For example, I'm working on a side project. It's slowly improving. Nice rhythm, simple English, natural tone.
Now tell us in the comments, which phrase was most useful for you today?
Write one sentence using that phrase. Don't be shy. Small practice in public is how you grow.
And hey, if this video helped your English, maybe share it with a friend who also wants to learn? No pressure, just a suggestion.
Also, if you enjoy learning real English from real conversations, maybe hit subscribe for more of these friendly episodes. We post simple English without stress, without heavy grammar.
Take care of yourself, okay? Keep learning slowly, step by step. That's how real progress happens.
Thanks for spending time with us today. We'll see you in the next episode. Bye for now.
Bye!